I think exactly 395 days ago, we were sitting upstairs, Imran, myself, Mr. Mahesh Bhatt, Rajat, the writer, watching nervously the response to Once Upon a Time in Mumbai. So 395 days later, we're here with the teaser of our next film. Post the release of Once Upon a Time, there was a big haze surrounding me about which film to do, lots of big offers. But I had heard somewhere quietly that Ekta was working on this idea of making this movie, and my instinct made me call her up and ask for the opportunity to direct this film.
औरत जो है ना, रेनबो की तरह होती है। जितने रंग उतने रूप।
I remember Milan sir and I spoke, and I knew that he had the biggest stars chasing him after Once Upon a Time. Every star worth his salt, every 100 crore film was being offered to him. And I told him, sir, what do you think of Dirty Picture? And he said, like, you're completely pulled by this film to make it, so am I. So, and then every actor in the film, including Vidya, Imran, Tushar, Nasir sir, was like the only people you could think for the film, and they all said yes. I think this film, I don't know about money, I don't know about stardom, but this film is made from the heart. Thank you so much.
किसी को लगती है लॉटरी की तरह, लग गई तो किस्मत खुल जाती है।
I think I've never enjoyed being a woman more than in the Dirty Picture. It celebrates the woman. Like a rainbow in all her colors. कुछ लोगों को बचाने में शायद मुश्किल हो, पर especially as a woman, I'm sure you'll agree.
पब्लिक सामान देखती है, दुकान नहीं, और वैसे भी जब शराफत के कपड़े उतरते हैं, सबसे ज्यादा मजा शरीफों को ही आता है।
मेरे लिए Dirty Picture is definitely going to be a turning point, क्योंकि just like how Vidya said, she never enjoyed being a woman more than in Dirty Picture. I've never enjoyed being a guy more than in the Dirty Picture. And I always had this superstition in my head that whenever I kind of leave the city and go for a vacation, something good will happen. Because I'm always afraid to leave on a vacation, you know, because you feel kuch haath se chala jayega. But this time too, in November, I went for a trip to Vegas, and I got a call that Milan sir wants to meet me for the Dirty Picture. So there you go. I mean, it was a dream come true, and especially with the man who's made Once Upon a Time in Mumbai. Now, after seeing this trailer, this teaser, and you guys' reaction, and all this positivity, we still have a few days shoot left. I was very cool shooting the film so far. Now I think I'll be very nervous to live up to the reputation of this teaser and everything that's in the air right now. But it's been a joyride, even in Ramoji. So we need to go back there.
एक से मेरा क्या होता? No, but really it's been fantastic. I don't want to give the typical answers. मैं नहीं कहना चाहती कि उनके साथ काम करके बहुत अच्छा लगा, blah 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 blah. वो सब आप जानते हैं क्योंकि आप फिल्म में देखेंगे. I've worked with Nasir Saab before, and I've said that a million times before. It's an honor working with him. अभी मैं अपना nervousness कम दिखाती हूँ उनके सामने. I don't need to cloak it as much. But he's so encouraging. without being blatant about it, that I'll always be grateful to him for that. Thank you, sir. And I was wondering how it would be with Imran. It's been a great deal of fun. Initially लगा कि अच्छा ज़्यादा हंसते नहीं हैं, ज़्यादा बोलते नहीं हैं. अब उल्टा हो गया है. सिल्क को देखने के बाद इनका मुंह बंद ही नहीं होता. And Tushar, what can I say? We had a lovely time shooting together in Hyderabad. Even if he doesn't say the same thing, मैं कहूँगी. मैंने उनको actually convince कर दिया था कि जहाँ हम लोग shoot कर रहे थे रामोजी में, that was the best place on planet Earth. I made sure he stayed back even when he was not shooting, because he's such a positive, wonderful person to be around besides being a fun co-star. He has a straight-faced humor. You don't even know he's cracked a joke, and he has. So it's been great.
किसी को होती है मोहब्बत की तरह.
आप सिल्क हो ना?
हो गई तो जान अटक जाती है.
मुझे जो चाहिए उसका मजा सिर्फ रात को ही आता है.
The film essentially for me जो context से बनाई गई है, जो दुनिया में बनाई गई है, it is definitely going to be one of the most talked about films this year. Hopefully one of the most successful films this year. Because of three main reasons. I think यही तीन ingredients बहुत ज़रूरी होती हैं फिल्म को चलाने के लिए. And somehow that's kind of also summed up by Vidya's character Silk in the film. वो कहती हैं कि फिल्में सिर्फ तीन चीज़ों के वजह से चलती हैं. Entertainment, entertainment, entertainment. And this film has all that and more.
मुझे तो चढ़ी जहर की तरह कि अब पानी भी पीता हूं ना तो आग लग जाती है.
How he could have thought of me, how Ekta could have thought of me for this film, how Rajat could have written that beautifully. If I do a good job, I take the responsibility. No, if I do a good job, it's completely thanks to the vision, to the great writing and the support. मैंने फिल्म शुरू करने से पहले ये कहा था कि इस फिल्म में मुझे मैं मिलन का हाथ पकड़ के चलने वाली हूँ या मिलन मेरा हाथ पकड़ के चलेंगे, because I didn't know which way it worked, but I just knew that I had to trust Milan completely, and I can say it's been so worth it so far. I hope you all feel the same way. And Ekta, hats off to you for the kind of work you're doing.
It's the first time a movie has a title like this, and I think it's also the first time somebody's made a movie like this. So all this sounds very confident. Actually, we're all very nervous.
Not uncomfortable at all. Because there was one thing I was very sure of, that I was in very able hands. It was at no point going to look अश्लील और sleazy. वो मुझे यकीन था, और अगर आप conviction के साथ कुछ भी करें तो I think it always turns out beautifully.
I think Naseer Bhai is probably more young at heart than Imran and myself also. So I never really felt that kind of a pressure, because his vibe is very boyish, and that's what made it like work. Didn't add any more pressure or any kind of anxiety of that kind.
पब्लिक सामान देखती है, दुकान नहीं. और वैसे भी जब शराफत के कपड़े उतरते हैं तो सबसे ज्यादा मजा शरीफों को ही आता है.
I think I'm an actor and I'm playing a character here. मैं dirty picture में सिल्क का किरदार निभा रही हूँ. So I don't think that would get, there's any possibility of that tag being attached to my name or anything of the sort.
Ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, tu hai meri
तैसी